Hello everyone, welcome to our new video. In today's video we break down the top 5 best baby receiving blankets that are available on the market. I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the link in the description section below. And make sure you subscribe to more videos. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5. Comfy Cubs Swaddle Baby Girl Blanket. Just like its name, this is a comfy blanket ideal for a baby girl. It is made from soft cotton that has excellent breathability to keep your young one warm and free of too much heat. Not only that, but also the fabric is simple to clean by using recommended cleanup solutions. The overall style of this item is stylish, suitable for 0 to 3-month-olds that weigh between 7 to 14 pounds. In addition, when you wrap your infant in this blanket, it recreates the womb feel. Recreate the womb when you wrap up your bundle of joy in a Swaddle blanket by Comfy Cubs. This snug baby wrap helps ease your baby's transition into the world and prevents spontaneous movements from waking him. At number 4. Dreamy Baby Muslin Receiving Blankets. Dreamy Baby has not disappointed in delivery with this best baby receiving blanket. It offers a comfortable and soothing place for your baby at any time of the day. Made from silky soft material, it is gentle on the skin as well as breathable. Your young one gets maximum protection free of discomforts like scratches and itchiness. This item is lightweight and yet sturdy to hold the little active babies. Moreover, it is crafted from certified organic cotton and bamboo that offer a soft swaddling experience. Our Swaddle blankets are crafted from lightweight, breathable and durable muslin that creates superior comfort and security for newborns and infants. At number 3. Galabloomer Newborn Receiving Blanket. The design of this best baby receiving blanket is exquisite and delicate. You can use it as a baby's room decor element or for special occasions like photo shoots. If you look much closer on its construction, you'll notice it doesn't have snaps, Velcro or zippers. This keeps your baby girl safe at all times to eliminate the worry of skin pinching. Furthermore, it is designed from a soft cloth with enough stretch for extra flexibility. You can wrap it around your little one for a stylish look thanks to the side pattern and rounded edges. At number 2. BORITAR Baby Receiving Blankets. BORITAR is the best baby receiving blanket that gives you a multi-purpose application. Let your kid use it for cuddling, sleeping, nursing cover, stroller cover, and as a burp cloth. Constructed from 100% polyester, it offers maximum warmth and coziness. Besides, the fabric is comfortable on all skin types, especially the delicate ones. Moreover, it measures 30 by 40 inches with lovely dotted cloth backing. We care about your baby as much as you do. We also understand that safety and comfort are the most important. That's why we made our baby products with high-quality fabrics. There aren't any chemical additives. As a result, our products are natural, mild and non-irritative. And finally at number 1. Trend Lab Northwoods Plush Receiving Blanket. What makes this receiving blanket unique is its 2-layer design with a flannel. The cream faux has a cotton backing for the ultimate comfort. Your baby can sleep much comfortably no matter the location you place he or she on. Besides, the lovely brown and red buffalo checkered design makes it more appealing than other brands. Note that this wraparound measures 30 inches wide by 40 inches long to fully protect your little one. Keep your little one warm and secure with this Northwoods Faux Shearling Blanket by Trend Lab. Plush Cream Faux Shearling is backed with pinecone brown and deep red check flannel. Blanket measures 30 inches by 40 inches. Thank you for watching guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to my channel for more videos. If you have any questions related to these products you can leave a comment below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can.